Are you studying? Yes. Oh, arranging the haircon alphabet. Good job, Ate Dahlia. It's a body part. So pretty, my baby Dahlia. Now it's Ate Dahlia. Oh, it's including the car. It's pin. Yeah, you should try to. Where is the? What's that? This is. How about the? Very good, seahorse. Wow, dolphin. Very good. Very good. Starfish. Oh, heart. The heart. Very good. Octopus. Very good. Crab. Other learning. Okay. What's that? No, it's dragon fruit. Yeah, that's a pineapple. Yeah. Very good. Watermelon. What's that? No? Oh, yeah, it's mango. No, it's orange. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. It's mango. Yeah, very good. Avocado. No. Yeah. Where is the grapes? I don't know. Yeah, that's right. What's that? No, it's not pineapple. It's a very good. Very good, my. Oh, very good. Bananas because it's more than one, right? That it's a body parts. Very good. Let's go another. It's a number. Oh, what's that? It's a 5 cents. Very good. It's ice. Very good. Tongue. Very good. Very good, Dahlia. Another. Very good. Six, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very. Let's go to another. What's that? Bees. Oh, you should color that one. What's that? Oh, yeah. Another. Oh, let's go to ABC. It's alphabet. Okay. Kabalaw. Another. It's a shape. So, oh, very good. Very good. Very good. It's clear. Good job, Dahlia. Where is the circle? Very good. Oval. Very good. No, it's rectangle. Crescent.